Hello, everyone. I'm back. My name is Emilio Jacinto, and I'm CEO of After Marketing. Sorry, After Advertising. So, I'd like to get started here today. Let me just dive in. Well, I hope you could see that right there. This video is for a video sales script. Steps on how to sell in your videos. So this is for people that are interested. If you're marketing your business or service and you want to use video to sell your product or service, this is a great step by step and what to do for your sales video. All right, VSL. Okay, let's get started. And the first step is how to create video scripts. Why are you not doing video? Have you asked yourself that question? Why haven't you been using video for your business or your services? It's a big opportunity, and it's something that many business owners are not taking this advantage. We're seeing that everyone is mostly looking online, Google search, and different kinds of search engines in order to find businesses. And if you're not creating something that's unique or grabs the attention of your customer, you're going to fall behind. And sooner or later, every business is going to have to use video. Okay? So on your video script, the first thing you want to do, your first step, is introduce yourself. The second, make a promise or a claim. Third, pledge their time and attention. So we're going to go over all of these right now. So I want you to stay with me and watch till the end. Introduce yourself. Well, this is the part where you're going to have to introduce yourself and transmit the energy to your customer. So let's say I'm going to speak and talk to my customers with the way my tone. Remember that we said that your tone, your words, and your body and face expressions translate and give out an energy to your customers. So we know that words are 7% of our communication, face and body are 55%, and tone is 38%, I believe, of the conversation. So let's say I start a conversation and I come up to all of you and speak through my video, and my tone is just like this. Hi guys, well, we're going to get down and watch this video. You see the difference and the way my tone of voice is right now, how I'm speaking to you more deeply, although you can't see my face right now. But when you're creating that video, people are going to watch your face, they're going to watch your body, the way you move your hands. So that's going to transmit a lot to your audience, and it's going to actually give that, you want them to mirror you, how you're reacting as well. Okay, and the second step, make a promise or a claim, which is create a promise or a claim. So you're going to want to have to, when that video starts, you introduce yourself and then you give out a promise or a claim, meaning, if you watch the end of this video, I'm going to give you the most important step of let's say you're talking about sales tactics. If you watch to the end of the video, I promise to give you the most important step when it comes to selling a customer. Or, at the end of this video, you're going to want to stay tuned because I have something important to give you, and you're not going to miss out if you're not there. Okay, so that's making a promise or a claim, addressing skepticism. That means, if people are not trusting you, or not believing you, address that. Well, some people are not going to believe me, and they're not going to understand what I'm trying to do is actually help you. So you're going to have to address skepticism. All right. And third, jump into the conversation. Start jumping in your conversation and what you're going to talk about in that video. And the third step, pledge their time and attention. Pledge their attention. So you're going to have to ask them and tell them that, and make them commit their attention to you at that moment. So you're going to have to tell them, stop getting distracted. Tell them to take notes and make it all about them. So how would you approach that is, you're talking in your video and you tell your audience, I need you to stop right now and drop everything you're doing and take notes, because this is important to you as a business owner, because you could either sink or swim, and it's your decision. So you got to make it about them, make them pledge their attention, make them not tell them not to get distracted, and tell them to take notes because it's important to them. So yeah, those are a couple steps you can use for your VSL, so your video sales script letter, and it's very effective. And you can use this formula to map out and use it as a template for your sales scripts. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope this video was informative. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down if it wasn't. That it actually gives out a lot of, it helps out. And comment below if you have any questions or comments. Thank you.